what meditation is and why we're here talking about it. I really honestly think that we're on the edge of a revolution, at least in the Western world, of understanding what meditation is, what you can do with it, and its potential. It specifically, we're talking about the ability to focus your mind and clearly see the problems, the opportunities, and to have more control over your mind. It's really, there's very specific exercises you can go through to sharpen this ability. And it's very similar to this training of the mind that you can do through meditation. It's very similar to the kind of training that an athlete would go through, or a musician. You can sit down for some period of time a day, develop the ability to focus, and then whatever it is that you're doing, you can be dramatically more effective at it. Whether it's personal relationships or business or a whole list of other things that we're going to go through. But that kind of training of your mind is it's why I say we're on the edge of a revolution. It's going to be the difference between athletes who knew how to work out and athletes who didn't. And so people are in all walks of life are going to start training their mind before they try and become businessmen or leaders or a whole range of other things.